Great job, sir. Dr. Hansen's offered to stay on with us for now, and I think her skills will be invaluable.
It's hard to believe I'm even here.
Great to have you, Doc. How you planning on pitching in?
Well, your medical facilities are medieval, and your science expertise is non-existent. Perhaps I could start there.
Ouch. Well, I guess you might be able to teach Stedman a thing or two. Welcome aboard, Doc.
Guess you heard the news by now, Raynor. Looks like you're back in business.
That I am, Mr. Hill. And fighting the Zerg and Dominion all at once is going to take its toll on my standing forces. You got any guns for hire?
Well, you know the invasion makes it a seller's market right now. Still, your bartender over there makes a hell of a Mai Tai. So, sure, I've got some mercenary contracts you might be interested in.
You're all heart, Mr. Hill. Left this behind on Marsara. How did it? Titus. Just can't let it go, can you? You meet Dr. Hansen yet?
Sure did. I asked that sweet thing if she'd like to give me a physical. No harm in asking, right? I think she's got her eye on some pansy ass, though.
Yeah? Who might that be?
Oh, I don't know. Some white knight kind of guy came charging down to save a colony, maybe. Damn, Jimmy. You never could read the ladies.
Donnie Vermillion, UNN. We've got Kate Lockwell on remote feed from Agria, a fringe colony. Are you there, Kate? Okay, we seem to be having a sound problem with... I'm being told Emperor Mangsk is going to address us directly. Let's take you to his announcement, already in progress.
My finest military minds are being brought to bear, and it's my pleasure to announce that they'll soon be led by the hero of Taurus himself, General Horace Warfield.
Warfield? I thought he retired years ago.
With General Warfield at the helm, and our finely honed Dominion military under his command, I have every confidence that this new Zerg threat will be contained very soon.
There you have it, viewers. With Warfield in command, the Zerg swarm will be defeated in no time. Up next, Raynor ups his campaign of terror just as the Zerg reappear. Coincidence? You decide after these messages.
Lots of folks ready to fight. For the right price.
I've heard a lot about you, Commander. The Dominion always portrayed you as a criminal, terrorist. There's more to you than it seems.
Well, with the Dominion being what it is, someone's got to stand up for the little guy. It sure ain't gonna be Mengsk.
Doesn't seem like the Emperor cares at all. My people from Agria and displaced populations from across the sector have all fled to a refugee staging area on Meinhof. There are reports of violence and disease spreading throughout the camps, but the Emperor's done nothing.
I'll look into it, Doc. It sure felt good rescuing those folks. But there's millions more out there that need help, too.
We can't be everywhere at once, sir. The important thing is that we set an example and gave them hope. Every time we help folks in need, it's another step on the road to a better future.
I know, Matt. But it's been 4 years and we're still no closer to bringing Mengsk down. Now with the Zerg back in the mix, Your better future needs to hurry up and get here, or there's gonna be no one left to see it.
Jim.
The Mobius boys think there's another artifact in a world called Monolith. Supposedly there's Protoss guarding it. A group of fanatics call themselves the Tal'Darim. Now don't get all sentimental thinking these Tal'Darim are your old Protoss buddies, 'cause they ain't.
I hear the mighty Jim Raynor's on the move, but short on funds. The planet Redstone's got the most valuable minerals around, and with the Zerg invasion, the Kelmorians packed up and left it all behind. Some enterprising men could turn a big profit there. Meet me at Redstone if you want a piece of the action.
Redstone. Heck of a place. I ever mention how much I hate volcanic planets?
Good to see you made it. They call me Tosh. You help me mine the minerals I need, and I'll make it worth your while.
What's the catch?
Well, this place is a little unstable. The low ground gets flooded with lava every few minutes. Of course, that's where the richest mineral nodes are found. But that'll be no problem for a big, tough guy like you.
Sir, I'm also picking up Zerg biosignatures on the surface. We'll need to spend some of what we mine just to defend the operation. The more we spend, the longer this is gonna take.
Lava and Zerg. Two of my favorite things. Let's do this.
Some. By the numbers. You gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you. Of course. Why not?
Add-on complete.
Aye, aye, sir.
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Lava's rising. Get those SCVs to high ground, right now.
Yes, sir. We hear you.
The doctor is in.
Armed. Been waiting on you. Huh? Well, butter my biscuit. This better be good.
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
This counter shows the estimated time until the next lava surge. Move all units and structures to high ground when a surge is imminent.
Outstanding. Gangway, coming through. Can't wait. Been waiting on you. Go, go, go! Armed and ready. Keep your shirt on. This better be good. You got it. Affirmative. Will do. By the numbers, boys. I got some friends coming to help you out. Reapers.
Reapers, you say? Hell, cowboy, we gotta train more of these guys.
They're seriously badass.
Fear the Reaper, man.
Better send some body bags.
Oh, that's all?
This better be good.
Oh, you got something for me to kill?
Been waiting on you.
Death from above. Yes, indeed.
Tosh sent you to help? About time. Let's finish up this contract and get the hell off this planet. Ah! You scared?
I'm listening.
Huh? It's your...
What's it worth? You're gonna have fun. What's up? Got death from above. Agreed.
You gonna give me orders?
I'm listening. Oh yeah, baby. All right, let's do this. Certainly. On the way. Fair enough. Certainly.
This better be...
What? You want something? Yes, indeed. I'm going.
Who wants some?
Fear the Reaper, man. On the way. What?
By the numbers, boys.
What's it worth? Let's do this. All right. Done. Nothing I can't handle.
Sir, scanners show a large biosignature close to your position. A Brutalisk, I think. If you could kill it, that'd get our research off to a flying start.
Yes, indeed. Nothing I can't handle. Done.
Been waiting.
Death from above. I'm going. Fair enough. On the way. Let's do this. Agreed. Certainly. I'm going.
Base is under attack.
Let's do this. Got something for me to kill? Oh, that's all? All right. Yes, indeed. Oh, yeah, baby. Nothing I can't handle. Done. Fair enough. On the way. Oh, yeah, baby. Agreed.
We could use some help here.
Certainly. Let's do
This better be good.
I'm listening.
Mineral field depleted.
All right. Yes, indeed. On the way. Nothing I can't handle. Yes, indeed. Done. Fair enough. Certainly. Fair enough. Yeah, baby. Agreed. All right. I'm going. That's all. Let's do this. On the way. Agreed. Let's do this. Oh, yeah, baby. Certainly. Done. Nothing I can't handle.
Seismic activity is increasing. Caution is advised.
You gonna give me who wants some?
What's it worth?
What's going on?
What? You want something?
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Your men work fast. We've already got half the minerals we need.
You're the boss.
I'm listening.
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
Been waiting on you.
Big job, huh?
Mineral field depleted.
Fear the Reaper, man. Fair enough. Yes, indeed. All right. Oh, that's all? Oh, yeah, baby. Agreed. Certainly.
SCV ready.
Let's do this.
Mineral field depleted.
I'm going. Death from above. On the way. Nothing I can't handle.
Mineral field base is under attack.
This better be good. I'm listening.
Better send some body bags.
Done. I'm going. Agreed. Yes, indeed. Nothing I can't handle.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Yeah, baby. All right. Bad news. In the rear with the gear. Yeah. I'm listening. On the way. Done. Oh, that's all? All right. I'm going. On the way. Let's do this.
Mineral field depleted.
Oh, yeah, the life of the Reaper.
Since you're doing right by me, I'll do right by you. Here's the coordinates of the nearest mineral nodes.
Mineral field depleted.
Certainly. Nothing I can't handle. All right.
Almost done, Mr. Raynor. Just a few more minerals to go.
Mineral field depleted.
Fair enough. Yes, indeed. On the way. Yes, indeed. Let's do this. Nothing I can't handle.
Mineral field depleted.
All right. I'm going. Certainly. I'm listening.
All right, boys, nice work. We got what we came for. Now let's get out of this hellhole.
Finished already? Really are as good as they say, Mr. Raynor. I'm thinking you and I got a lot more business we can be talking about.